Hi there, Christan Bosley, President and Broker of Record of Bosley Real Estate, coming to you with this month's market statistics. Everyone wants to chat price, so let's get right into it. For the month of July 2022, year-over-year average price did remain quite stable, with an increase of 1.2%, clocking in with an average price of $1,075,000. The real story really lies in the month-over-month numbers. We did experience a decline of 6.24% between the month of June and July. Can we expect similar decreases moving into August? Quite possibly so, only time will tell. When we turn to sales, July brought a total of 4,912 transactions to the TREB districts, representing a year-over-year decline of 47.4%. and a month-over-month decline of 24%. While this number is quite shocking, the reality is that we do typically experience a decline in new listings between the months of June and July, usually to the degree of 15%. And this really is attributed to the fact that we generally are coming off quite a robust spring cycle. So given the external variables at play and of course the robust travel plans of many consumers these days, sales really are still holding quite stable. Moving to new listings, July brought a total of 12,046 listings to market, representing a 4.1% decline year over year and a 26% decline month over month. There seems to be a real sentiment on the selling side that if you don't need to sell right now, then you probably shouldn't. While this might seem quite surprising, it actually is a real positive for our marketplace. Simple economics tells us that if listings continue to increase and sales continue to decline, we would be pushed into a buyer's market. Right now, we have the luxury of a relatively balanced marketplace. Interestingly enough, we are starting to see buyers jumping off the sidelines. The buyers who can anticipate and act in advance of any future changes really are reaping the benefits. We know that there is likely to be another interest increase come September, which of course will impact affordability first and foremost when it comes to monthly payments. Add to the fact that the global economic climate is pushing the pre-construction market to pause, hold projects, cancel projects. We are seeing less units going into production. When we take this information and combine it with the fact that immigration remains very strong, and of course that listings are remaining quite stable, we do expect that when the rebound happens, it will be quite fast and very robust. The brilliant buyers are achieving all of their deals today. When we turn to the selling side, I always believe buying and selling in the same marketplace is the most critical aspect of a transaction. However, with listing inventory still being relatively low in the bigger picture, there is plenty of opportunity to list with little to no competition. We simply need to stop thinking about the money lost by not selling last year and focus on the phenomenal investment that housing affords over time. Overall, the current market is quite healthy. A pullback of the gains we experienced in the first 2 years was absolutely critical and really will set us up for much larger success in the long term. As always, call Bosley for all of your real estate needs. We have been assisting in all the markets since 1928. Thanks so much for listening, and bye for now.